yeah, I really don't want to give any spoilers, but yeah, I'm not going to give any spoilers, so you can check the video out for my reaction, first impression, first reaction, everything.
Oh, barely, I need you now. I need you now. I need you now.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys already know from the title and the thumbnail, what's gonna happen today. So this is how the look turned out, and I bought this palette from an Instagram store that I recently found out about. The name I'll link in the description box down below, so do check that out if you are interested to buy any of that. I actually opened it to just check if, like, you know, everything is in place and not shattered or anything. So that's the reason I opened it. Yeah, I didn't swatch it. I was waiting for this video, especially for this video, so I did not swatch it. Sorry, there was a fly. And yeah, if you are interested to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Hello. So I'm gonna do my base makeup off camera since I didn't do it. Yeah, kind of looking like Statue of Liberty. I have dry skin, so I'm using an oil before. Alright, so the base makeup is all done. As you can see, I was excited, okay? So this did come with a thank you card. I honestly appreciate these small gestures from Instagram stores. So that's the name. So it said, thank you for choosing us. Your purchase made our day and we hope you are over the moon with it. Don't forget to share this luxury on your Instagram store by tagging us. Always delighted to serve you. So this is how it came. It was packed in a bubble wrap. I am so happy I got my hands on a limited edition Marc Jacobs palette. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. It even has a bow, man, like so cute. So the name of the palette is called Extravagance. This is how the inner packaging looks like. And I was matching it. Gold and black is like my vibe, y'all. I freaking love the packaging. When you read the names of the eyeshadows together, it makes a sentence. It said, at last I have found the one, the only true love. Marc Jacobs always does this with every eyeshadow palette. So this is how the inside of the palette looks like. It's more than perfect. Swatches time! The first shade is At Last. These eyeshadows were so buttery soft and pigmented. Next is the shade I Have. It's like this perfect transition shade for every skin tone. Next is a champagne shade called Found. These shimmer shades are on a next level only. It's something I have never ever seen before. Next is a gold shade called The One. Alright, so you're going to see my reaction now. I was freaking speechless. So I tried to calm myself down and swatch them on my hand. These are the first 4 shades. Sorry, the swatches are not the best, but all that matters is the colors, right? The camera wasn't doing justice, like, honestly, to how pretty these eyeshadows were. The next shade is an olive green shade called The Only. I was quite surprised because I was barely touching the eyeshadows. Next is this dusty brownish mauve kind of shade called True. Alright, the last shade is so unique. I have no idea how to describe this. First I thought it was a black with some glitter, but I was so wrong, like so wrong, because it's an extremely like unique shade. I have never seen a shade like this. These are the swatches. You can take a screenshot if you like. These were so pigmented that it wasn't even coming off. So that's how you know paisa vasool ho gaya. Okay, let's zoom you guys in. Hi. On an angular fluffy brush, I'm taking the shade called I Have. It's a brown transition shade. And it's a matte shade. I'm building that up slowly. Smoking it out slightly in my crease. So I didn't have any look planned in mind, so I was just going with the flow. I was confused about the next shade. I decided to put the gold shade on the inner half of my eyelid. So shimmers like these, I like using it with my finger to obviously get the full pigmentation. And oh my god. Did you see that? I just touched my eyelid, just touched it. Was definitely mind blown. So since I have nails on, I could not reach the inner part of my eyelid, so I used a sponge applicator, right? That's what it's called. People throw these away, but these are the best to pick up shimmer eyeshadows. contemplating again, so I went for the olive green shade called The Only, and I placed that beside the gold shade, slightly blending in with the same applicator. When you're working with shimmers, you want to drag the product so you get the full pigmentation. That shade was absolutely stunning. Next, I'm taking the shade called Love. Now watch closely. This is the easiest way you can deepen your outer edge area. All you have to do is, according to your eye shape, make a triangle and then blend that out. Then to soften everything up, I'm going in with a blending brush. I'm speeding everything up so that the video is not too long. So this is how the eye look is looking. Can you see how reflective that is? I wanted to use all the shades so that you guys know how it looks on the skin. I am using the shade called Found and putting that in my inner corner. For eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal and the Wet n Wild eyebrow stick. This is the retractable one. I love the angular tip of the product and it has a spoolie at the end. Then I'm just going to clean underneath my eyebrows. On a flat shader brush, I'm taking the shade called At Last and putting that below my eyebrows as my brow bone highlight. So it was powdery and it did have a tad bit of fallout. With the same angular fluffy brush, I'm blending everything in. I'm using my favorite kajal, the Lotus Eco Stay one. Now let's complete the bottom lash line. I'm just gonna mimic whatever I did on the top eyelid and the bottom lash line. That is the gold, the green, and then the darker eyeshadow. Then on a flat shader brush, I'm taking that same transition shade and blending everything in. I am just gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so for mascara, I'm using the Total Temptations mascara and I'm putting on some falsies. So these are the eyes done. So for lips, I was kinda confused like I always am, nothing new. But I used the Miniso lipstick. Whenever I'm confused, I reach out for this lipstick, so here I am. It's showing quite red on camera, I don't know why, but it's like this chocolate brown shade. Here is a swatch and this is what it looks like on the lips. Okay, all done. Let's get out of the hairband. I was so pissed because I was having a bad hair day. I'm so happy right now, like, yeah. So that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you really like the video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye.